How to download and install the FIFA World Cup app. Updated with live scores, match results, and all the latest action from the FIFA World Cup, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to download and install the official FIFA World Cup app. To begin, open your Play Store and go to the search bar. Now type FIFA World Cup and wait for the results to load. From the list, select the official FIFA World Cup app. Make sure you choose the correct one to avoid unofficial versions. Next, tap the Download or Install button to start the process. If prompted, confirm the installation using your device security method, such as password, fingerprint, or face recognition. Now, wait a few moments while the app installs completely. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet speed. Once installed, simply tap Open to launch the app. And that's it. You now have full access to live match updates, scores, and tournament news right at your fingertips. If you found this helpful, you might also want to check out how to stream live FIFA matches online. Link should be on your screen now.